With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Here we have been asked to find a possible solution to the system where the system has two equations, y equals to x square plus 3x plus 2 and x equals to y by 2 minus 2, right? So this, you can see the first equation is in a quadratic form because you have an x square here, and the second equation is of a linear form, okay? X equals to y by 2 minus 2. Here what we are going to do is, see, we have two unknowns and two equations. So these two equations will help us to find the value of the two unknowns. But see, you can't solve two equations when one is quadratic and the other is linear. So you have to find some substitutive methods to solve this, right? So here, since we have two variables, you see this second equation can help us find or solve the first equation, right? So you see in the second equation, x equals to y by 2 minus 2, we can either substitute the value of x as it is, or we can express y in terms of x to substitute in this given equation, right? Now we will not substitute x as it is given because it is x squared, so you have to do y by 2 minus 2 whole square, so that will complicate the sum. So what we will do is, we will basically express y in terms of x, right? So from here, let's see, y minus 4 by 2 equals to x. I'm just solving two fractions given here, right? Just subtracting these two, right? So that makes it y equals to 2 into x, 2x, and minus 4 will become plus 4. So y equals to 2x plus 4. This we are going to substitute in this equation. All right. So that gives us, we will put the value of y as 2x plus 4. So 2x plus 4 equals to x square plus 3x plus 2, right? So now we will bring all the terms to one side. That is, we will bring all the terms to the RHS. X square plus, or you can go the other way around as well, but then there comes an unnecessary negative sign. You have to deal with that, so we will not do that. We will go for the RHS. X square plus 3x minus 2x is x, plus 2 minus 4 is minus 2 equals to 0. Alright, so this is the final quadratic equation we have to solve. Now you know the most basic form of a quadratic equation is, say, a square plus ma plus c equals to 0, where c is a constant, okay, and m is a coefficient of the variable a. It is a numeric value, right? So how do we solve this? We factorize or break this down into its multiples, and we will choose two such multiples that will help us split the middle term factor through addition or subtraction, right? So here you see x square plus x plus minus 2. So what is the constant here? It is minus 2. And what is the coefficient of x in the middle term? It's 1. So how we are going to break minus 2 into two such multiples that will help us obtain this coefficient of x in the middle term, right? So this gives us minus 2 can either be written as 2 into minus 1, or minus 2 can be written as minus 2 into 1. Now you see, this is a positive value. So adding up which of these two multiples will give us a positive 1 value. So 2 minus 1 equals to 1, and minus 2 minus 1, that will give us, plus, adding up, we are adding it up. So minus 2 plus 1 equals to minus 1, but we need a positive 1 in the middle term. So 2 minus 1. So we are going to use this set of factors, all right? 2 into minus 1 to solve the middle term. So x square plus 2x minus x minus 2 equals to 0. Now we are going to do the common separation. We will separate the terms which are common within two sets of this total particular equation. See, there are 4 terms, so we will consider two terms at a time, and we are going to extract the common term out of those two terms, right? So first we are going to take the first two terms. So x is common, so we will go for x common into x plus 2 minus 1 into x plus 2, because in these two terms, right, we have minus 1 as common. So minus 1 into x plus 2 equals to 0. Now you see here the common term is x plus 2. With x plus 2 is common, and x plus 2 is common in both these terms, x into x plus 2 into minus 1 into x plus 2. So we are going to separate out the common factor, and then we are going to group them to form x plus 2 into x minus 1 equals to 0. So the solution to this particular quadratic equation is x plus 2 into x minus 1, which will give us 0. You can back calculate this to find out this or to obtain this equation, right, and check whether you have done correctly or not. Now you see, we have two values for x equals to minus 2 and x equals to 1, right? Now, one mistake that I used to commit while doing these sums in my 10th standard is I would consider that 1 and minus 2 are the values of x and y. That is not true. X is minus 2, right? So we are going to solve the value of x in this equation, or in this equation, to obtain y, right? So when x is minus 2, y equals to 0. So the final answer is minus 2 comma 0. Do you find that within the options? No, there is no option that gives us this value of minus 2 comma 0. So we are going for x equals to 1. So when we do x equals to 1, y equals to 2 ones are 2 plus 4, that is 6. So 1, 6 is the answer. 1, 6 is the answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.